Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the secondary verification in the Binance app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the star button right here. Now simply select it. After selecting it, tap onto the user ID just like this. Then tap on to security option right here. Now then tap on to the Authenticator app. Now I have already enabled the secondary verification on my Binance app and I have already made a video about this. Now to know how to enable the secondary verification in the Binance app, you can simply search the video on this channel, which is how to get the Binance Authenticator code. You can simply search the video and you can get all the informations right there. And that's it. This is how you can enable the secondary verification on the Binance app. It is a very easy process. Now go on to that video and watch it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.